Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're sat in Bugley, and this is a bit of a follow-on from the last video I did on Bugley about the battery grounding cable. A few comments, I've had a few comments on Instagram about checking the cable between the gearbox and the body as well, which is obviously underneath, because if that one's in bad nick, that one might also be in bad nick. So we're going to stick it up on blocks, because I can't fit under because of my belly, and then we'll have a look and see if it needs fixing as well. So let's get on. Right, let's get underneath. See what we can see. Right. So we're going under passenger side in the UK. You see it? Oh, sorry, I'm wiggling. So there's one there, and there's one up in behind there. Can you see that? Right. No, don't think. Oh, it's not going to go on. Sorry, me heavy breathing. I'm squishing my belly under the sill. That's oh, not very tight. As you can see previously, I've done the polyurethane front mount. There's a washer on there. It's a bit mucky in there. Not too bad, seen worse. Hopefully I'll get me little tool on this one. She's alright. There's a washer on there as well. Not horrendous by any means. Let's have a look at the cable. So here we have the culprit. It doesn't feel very thick, it's hard to tell because it's got this outer liner on. So I'm going to cut that bit off, I think, but it looks pretty manky in the end. It does look like it's got some funny insulation on there. Let's cut this off and have a look. Oh, actually, look. That looks pretty darn good. Why they've kept that bit on there, I don't know. I'd say that is in pretty good nick. Shall I cut the other end off? I'll cut the other end off because we can put some heat shrink on. Oh, I mustn't bang my tools down. Got told off for that. Well, this is stuck on there. Good and proper. Well, we can see what we're doing there. That, I'd say, is in pretty good nick. I'm just going to heat shrink this back up, clean up the terminals, put it back on. Alright, I've got a little bit of emery. I'm just going to clean this up with. I've just tidied the end of that up just a little bit with a junior hacksaw, all the wires. So I'm just going to clean this up. Shouldn't take much. And I'll do the same for underneath when we put it back on. Got some nice chunky heat shrink, which I bung on there. Just need to cut it to length. Use a heat gun. There we go, that should seal it up nicely, make sure no moisture gets in. I've got some a little bit of petroleum jelly. I'm going to lubricate all the bits, stop them going manky. Don't need a great deal. I'll stick a bit on the bolts as well. This should help just stop it corroding really, and help for a connection. That's a bit hot. Look, it's melting on there. Do that again in a minute. Right, just do me fixings. There. Let's go back under and slap it on. Right, we're back under. So I'm just going to give these a bit of a clean up. Looking pretty good. Petroleum grease on there. Which way was that? That way? Yeah, must have been. That's it, all snugged up. Right guys, that ended up being quite an easy little thing for me to do today. I hope if you have to do yours, it's nice and easy too. If you do have to replace it, check out my other video of how I done the ground to the battery, and it's a very similar process, just with 2 lugs instead of a lug and a battery clamp. Anyway, that's it for today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to an Instagram account, or I'd like to thank my Instagram subscribers who mentioned this cable, and the guys on Facebook as well. And hopefully if you subscribe, I'll see you next time. Okay, stay safe. Cheers then.